Hello and welcome to another update on Bitcoin. I only want to give you a quick intraday update. Obviously, Saturday market is slow, at least Bitcoin is slow. Some altcoins have performed quite well, but mostly weekends are characterized by sideways consolidations or pullbacks. The chart performed yesterday really, really well. Over the last few days, really, really well. We talked about all that in previous updates. I showed you why the market kind of was ideally supposed to move towards this blue zone. We've reached this blue zone, tapped the area now twice. Even here overnight, you could say the price moved further into this area, which is a standard target area for this C wave, which started down here on the 6th of September. I mean, first of all, I considered this a triangle, right? That's still valid. I just kind of adjusted it slightly in the last couple of days, but I considered first that here the B wave might have been a triangle. Both views are still valid though. It's just that I always try to show you only what I believe is the most likely scenario. No point showing you the third or fourth most likely one, even though they are also still likely, especially if you consider all the ones that I don't even show here because they are unlikely, right? But still, that is just the detail, and it doesn't really impact anything in the very short term. For me, the first support area to watch here is between $113,500 and $115,000. That's the micro support area to watch here on this chart. In the yellow scenario, the wave 4 could still be unfolding. So again, the idea is if a B wave really bottomed there around the 6th of September, and we're now in the C wave up, which is part of that corrective rally. Again, we could also be in the white count. We talked about all that, but for now, here in such an intraday update, we just want to focus on the shorter time frames. Well, if this really was a low on the 6th of September, then this was a 1-2 setup. The third wave might even have topped. Fourth wave over the weekend, classic wave 4 weekend, and then a fifth wave up. Now, what I shared earlier today in the first video with you is that this bounce from the Friday low is a 3-wave move. So it can easily be a B wave, 3 waves up. And if we get 5 waves down now, then this would be further confirmation. 5 waves down and a break below the Friday low means we're likely in wave C of 4. And then the focus needs to be on $113,500, which is the 50% retracement of that last rally. And that level must hold to keep the local uptrend intact. Because if that level breaks and we're falling back into the lower range, we will lose all those, we will break below the previous swing highs, which acted as resistance here, 28th of August, 5th of September. We broke above it finally this week. And now it would just be good to hold above that level for further strength. Now, don't get me wrong, we've reached that target area already. But as long as we're holding fib support, I would actually prefer one more high. Now, whether that is in the orange count here, like we already started that fifth wave, or we get a broader wave 4, we just have to watch the micro chart here, right? Overall, I think the main takeaway is this is our first support area. Another dip into support would not be unusual. It would also not be unexpected. And the structure will really only change if we get a break below 113,500. So that's the update on Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you're interested in additional updates, make sure to check out our membership on our channel page here on YouTube. You can check out this video. It explains the member benefits. You can get access to additional video updates. For example, today I uploaded Sui. Yesterday, Ondo. We had Crow before. There is not a member update every single day, but they are quite frequent. As a thank you for everybody who makes this work sustainable and supports this work. In addition to that, if you are a gold member, you can join Discord, access the core community, access over hundreds of charts, get bonus updates on silver and gold. You get access to an Elliott Wave course, and you won't find that stuff in that form anywhere else for such a membership fee. Typically, it's way more expensive. Others are charging hundreds. So if you want to do that, please understand the value, but we offer it for a very fair price. And tomorrow we have our member live stream, 5 p.m. UTC. Check it out if you're interested. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.